Sólido por amor.
Hey guys, I'm Nicki and welcome to my shuffle tutorial. So I just did the whole combo and now we're going to break down each move slowly. So the first move that we're going to learn is the running man, and it looks like this. Okay, so I want you to turn to the left side and I want you to lift up your right leg and then just put it down in front of you. So just up, down. And when you're lifting up your right leg, bend your left and then straighten them both when your right leg goes down. So bend, extend, bend, and stretch. Okay, now what your back leg is doing, your left leg, after you're bent and you're in this position, it's just gonna stretch out to the back. So your back leg is just extending to the back and straightening as much as you can, and then your right leg is simply just falling forward, so your weight is going forward a little bit, and you want to make the widest stance, even over exaggerated as possible. So you lift up your right leg, bend your left, go out. Okay, now the next move. So from here, we're gonna jump back on our right leg and our left leg is gonna shoot up. And now we're ready to go into our other leg. So our left leg is up, we bend our right leg, and then we go out. So we extend our right leg to the back, and then our left leg we just fall right onto, and we're in this really large extended lunge position. And my weight is on my toes and in the center. So then from here, our left leg goes back and our right foot comes up. So we bend our left leg, go down. We go up, left foot down, up, right foot down, up, down, And then when you get to there, you can start going faster and faster and faster. Just make sure not to lose the move. So there's two moves. So this is a move and this is a move. Because if we skip in between, it starts to do that, especially when we're going fast. So even if we're going fast, we want to really make sure that we're doing full moves and really getting our knees up and extending our back leg. And see how I'm staying on my toes the whole time. Great job, we're gonna move on to our next move. So it looks like this. So this is similar, except we're on our heel and our weight is back for this one. Instead of the running man's more grounded, this one's a little more up. So I want you to do the same thing as we did with our running man. So we lift up our right foot, bend our left, and then we kick out. Okay, so you're doing a small jump back with your left leg, and then your right leg is just tapping the surface with your heel. And really, I have no weight on this, on my right leg, or I would just fall forward. So your weight is on your back leg, and you can even lean your chest back a bit. So we just finished here, and then after this, we're gonna fall into our right leg, and our left leg's gonna come inwards. It just goes inwards. So we go here, and then come in. So our weight's back, and then it goes front. And then from here, we're ready to our other leg. So we're gonna jump back on our right leg, and our left leg's gonna go out. So you go out. So these legs are synced up, they're doing everything at the same time. And just remember keeping your weight to your back leg. And from here we fall forward on our left, kick our right. Fall forward, kick our left. Fall forward, kick our right. Full, left, right, left, right. And what you can even do if you're having trouble with this one is just think of it as you're doing two bounces. Like you're just doing a double bounce on each foot, and you can even just kick your other foot in the air. And then when you're ready, you can slowly bring your heel to the ground. Okay, cool. The pace for that is sweet. Okay, moving on to our next move. So we're gonna do the running man. We're gonna do a double running man. So it looks like this. 1, 2. Okay, so lifting up your right leg, bending your left, again. We're gonna go into the running man. And same thing as we did when we learned the running man, our left leg's gonna come up, but instead of going down, we're gonna go back again. Let's do that again. So lift up your right leg, bend your left, go down, come up, go back down. So you're going right, right. You're doing the right side twice pretty much. And then we do the other side. So we lift up our left leg, we put our left leg down like we normally do the running man on the left leg, and then we go right leg up and then right leg back. So we just finished here. We go left, up, left, up. Okay? It's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, I'm gonna do it fast. It looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. So the last move of our combo is running man to the side, and it looks like this. So what I want you to do is lift up your right leg, bend your left, and then just fall into your right leg, and then your left leg just shoots out to the side. And there's no weight on this left leg. It's just on your leg that drops down. So it should be like a pole going right through you to the ground. So up, out. And then from here, we're gonna jump on our right leg and we're gonna scoop our left leg up. So we go down, up. Then from here, we're gonna do our other leg. So we bend our right knee, and then we fall into our left, our right leg shoots out, then we jump on our left, and our right comes up. So down, up, hop, 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 hop. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys. So that is all the moves for the combo. And for arms, just basically which comes natural to you, especially when you're first learning. You're not really thinking about your arms, you're really thinking about your bottom half. So it can seem a little stiff when you're first starting, but as you continue to advance your practice, you can start thinking about your upper body because it's just as important. And I kind of naturally do this right to left thing. Sometimes I throw them up, sometimes I twist them. And for the side one, I'm kind of like moving the branches out of the way or something, just like this. It's kind of up to you. I thought I'd mention that. Okay, so let's do the full combo all together, up to speed. I'll show it to the side. So we're gonna be doing 4 running mans, 2 doubles, 4 on the heel, 4 to the side. And I'm always starting with my right leg. Okay, let's do it up to speed together.
Solidão por amor.
Thank you for dancing with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Normally I teach classes in Victoria, BC, but however they're not going on at the moment, so I'll be bringing you lots of tutorials and classes online. So if you'd like to donate, I'll leave a link in the description below. So I'll be having much more coming your way. This is a very basic beginner class, but as I progress through my tutorials, they'll be becoming much more challenging, so I hope you follow my journey. All the best.
Mais